So, hello, welcome to my home quarantine episode. Today I will tidy up a bit my living room here, and I will want to remove the bike from there and put it somewhere else on the wall. So, what do I need for that? I have a driller, a vacuum cleaner, some 2 angles, wall plugs, screws, screwdriver, and a lever and scale. I don't know. And this craftsmanship pencil, very nice. And of course some drill bits, which is already in the drill, the right one. Yeah. So that's it. So let's remove the bike from the corner. Move it here. I forgot to mention that I grinded out 2 holes with this file. This one. Wow, I demonstrate quick what I did. Yeah. That I did for a long time. So I have this nice 2 holes. So here's the finished product. Looks very neat and nice. Yeah. Wow. Bike. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tiny cute video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. So, bye!